Hey everyone, the entire Prysm team is excited to be here at ISE. It's the 20th anniversary of the show, Integrated Systems Europe. There's going to be over 1,300 exhibitors that we're going to be walking around taking a look at and over 60,000 attendees. We're here not only meeting with distributors and other channel partners, we're also meeting with media partners and agency partners. So we're excited to be checking it out, seeing how things compare to our own Prysm LPD technology. So we're going to go in and take a look.
I'm here at ISE 2024, excited to see the energy here, amount of people, and the technology being shown. Behind me in that hall number 3, what I saw, a lot of companies showing display technology, especially for large conference rooms and meeting rooms. We bridge the gap with where we bring in our display, the touchscreen, our really high-performance software that allows you to bring as many content and interact with them. So it truly bridges the gap between small scale and the large scale display. In our case, you can be up close and personal and see very sharp printed paper-like image. Our display is for all purpose, all environment, all kind of people, anything and everything you want to do.
All right, another ISE is in the bag. What an amazing experience it's been to be here and meet with so many great partners. We've got really exciting things coming from Prysm in the coming weeks and months. We got lots to report soon. It's been another great ISE.